Now we are going to accentuate those cloud lines created by long exposure. Create a new layer, then click on Elliptical Marquee tool. Then draw a long and thin ellipse. Go to Select, Transform Selection, and place it in desired position. Put it on top of the cloud that is already in the image. Feather the selection something around 100 pixels, then hit OK. Click OK on the warning message and disregard it. Now make sure that your foreground color is white and hit Alt Delete to fill the selection with white. To make this cloud look more realistic, press Ctrl T and distort it to make it wider in the beginning and thinner at the end. Place it in proper position, press Ctrl D to deselect the layer, then apply white mask. Click on Gradient tool, make foreground color black by hitting X, then choose Linear Gradient Foreground to Transparent and drag from the end of the cloud till the beginning to make a smooth transition. Now we are going to make another cloud and place it beneath the previous. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Using Move tool, place it beneath the previous cloud, then using Free Transform tool, rotate it and place it in proper position. Decrease the opacity a little bit. Select both layers and put them in one group. Now we have to deal with this dark area in left down corner. Disable the black and white adjustment layer and create a new stamp layer by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E. Select the dark area using Polygonal Lasso tool. Then hit Ctrl-J to put the selected area in a new layer. Now press Ctrl-T and then stretch the layer down until all blacks disappear. Apply the free transform, then create a negative mask and paint with soft white brush on the dark areas to make it disappear. Toggle between white and black brush until the patch looks natural. To correct the perspective of the bridge columns and make them look vertical, create a new stamp layer above the black and white layer. Create few vertical guides by left-clicking on the ruler in the left side and drag them to the right to the bridge columns. Press Ctrl T to open Free Transform tool. Right-click inside the image and choose Perspective. Drag the right bottom point to the left until the columns become vertical. Then apply the transformation. Press Alt while clicking on the eyeball of the top layer to hide the layers beneath. Click on Crop tool and crop the image. I prefer 3:2 ratio. To get rid of the remaining highlight in the right upper corner, select a part of the sky that contains the highlight using Rectangular Marquee tool. Then press Ctrl J to put the selected area in a new layer. Press Ctrl T to open Free Transform tool, then stretch it right until the highlight disappears. Create a negative mask by pressing Alt while clicking on the mask icon, then with a soft white brush and low flow paint on the highlight until it disappears. To get rid of the remaining highlight, create another new stamp layer and remove it with the Patch tool. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.